The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Apalachee Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawakanee River, Florida out to 20 New Mexico. Coastal waters from Ocklawakanee River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 New Mexico. Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 New Mexico. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 New Mexico. Waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 New Mexico. Until 1:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time / 12:45 p.m. Central Standard Time / at 11:42 am Eastern Standard Time / 1042 am Central Standard Time / severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 9 nm northwest of Apalachicola to 7 nm north of Empire Microrec to 53 nm southwest of Sea Tower, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: waterspouts can quickly form in capsized boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Asterisk locations impacted include O Tower, K Tower, S Tower, V Tower, Empire Microrec, Apalachicola, Sea Tower, St. George Island, and Marker 24 barge. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A tornado watch remains in effect until 300 p.m. Eastern Standard Time / 200 p.m. Central Standard Time / for Big Bend and the Panhandle of Florida and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Ampersand A tornado watch remains in effect until 300 p.m. Eastern Standard Time / 200 p.m. Central Standard Time / for Big Bend and the Panhandle of Florida and the adjacent coastal waters. Waterspout. Possible hail. 0.00 AN. Wind greater than 34 kts. Beep, 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 beep.